What's up, guys? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online. I'm going to show you several ways you can make money online. I'm going to show you several ways you can collect money from your clients. So if you're interested, then follow me and let's watch this. Let's make this video together. So like I said, I'm going to show you how to make money online and how you can collect money from your clients. So if you look at my screen right here, I have this money on the screen right now. So I made all this money online. So one of the places I make this money is through MoneyTag. Okay, this is a platform where you can easily integrate you can integrate this platform on your website, you can integrate the platform on your app, you can also integrate the platform on your email or your social media traffic. So if you have a group of audience anywhere, whether on your website, your app, your social media handles, you can integrate this MoneyTag by signing up and following the instructions. So if you want me to make a detailed video about MoneyTag, then tell me in the comment section, because I'll be there to respond to your comments. Okay, so like I said, this is an example of MoneyTag ads. Okay, this is one of the websites I own, and this ads is from MoneyTag, and at the end of the month I get paid for this ad appearing on my website. Okay, so you can also integrate this on your app or your social media handles, your Facebook, Instagram, and you're going to make money with it. Okay, so another platform is Fiverr. Okay, I know you know Fiverr. You can do freelancing stuff right here. Now it's a lot deeper than what I'm saying, because I'm just saying it. A lot of people are here, so you need to be different, you need to be competitive in order for you to be able to stand out on this platform. So if you want me to do more detailed video on either of these topics, all you need to do is to tell me in the comment section, and I'll consider making the video. So like in today's video, I'm also going to show you exactly how to collect money from your client. So if you want to collect money from your client, you can do that through several ways. So one of the ways you can do that is through geekpay.africa. As you can see, this is my geekpay.africa account. So right here you can see I have $76 here, and I collected all this money from my client. So I kind of give them my bank details. So if you open an account right here on your geekpay account, you're going to be given US bank account, GBP bank account, Euros bank account. So all these bank accounts, you can just give it to your client and they are going to send money into the bank account. Okay, so so another platform you can use is Payoneer. Okay, with Payoneer as well, they are going to give you different country bank accounts, and you can send money into any of those bank accounts and get paid. Just like you see, I have $805 on my Payoneer here. If I want to see my account details, it's very simple. All I need to do is to click on this dot here and click on receiving account. Once I click on that, it's going to show me my receiving account, and this receiving account is the account I want to forward to my client in order for them to be able to make payment into it. Okay, so it's very simple like that. And with this GeekPay as well, you just click on it and you're going to see the account details, and those account details are the one you forward to your client. So very simple. So with these two platforms, you can take money from your client, and using Fiverr and MoneyTag, you can make money online. If you want to monetize your website traffic, your social media traffic, then MoneyTag is perfect. If you know how to do a skill, like you know how to do different things online, you can go and register on Fiverr and do what's necessary in order for you to start making money here. Because why I say what is necessary, there are a lot of things you need to do for you to start making money on Fiverr, because it's very competitive. So you need to make sure you stand out of the crowd. You need to do SEO, you need to know how to promote your gigs, you need to know how to make sure your gigs are ranking well in order for you to start getting clients or start getting those paycheck. Okay, so I'm glad you enjoyed today's video. If you have any question, tell me in the comment section. I'll be there to answer your questions. I'll see you again when I drop my next video. Okay, I believe you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel in order for you to not miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys on the inside.